When Mashiach comes, hardly anything is going to change in the external world around us or in our external lives. Rather, the dramatic shift, is going to take place up here and in here. And what's going to change then is our perspective and the way we view the world, the way we view our lives, the way we view ourselves. And that's going to make all the difference. And one of the most important perspective shifts that's going to take place then is that when Mashiach comes, we're going to start viewing the world with the perspective known as Ein Od Milvado. There is nothing in the world besides for Hashem. Hashem is everything and everything is Hashem. And what it means to live that way, what it means to view the world with the perspective of Ein Od Milvado, is you stop looking at everything superficially, rather you look at everything at its core, you see the true nature behind everything. And you realize that no one and nothing in this world is in contradiction with Hashem. Nothing is at odds with Hashem. Nothing is truly in conflict with Hashem. And the true nature of everything, and what everything in this world is designed to do, and what everyone and everything really wants to do deep down, is to aid and to support Hashem, so to speak. Everything is here to spread awareness of Hashem in the world in its own unique way. And by extension, that means that our bodies and our bodies' needs and wants and desires, and all of our physical possessions and all of our experiences and all the people we interact with and all the non-Jews and Goyim we engage with, all of them are here. So first of all, none of them are here to undermine us and to get in the way and to interfere with our neshamas and to stop us from being the best Jews we can be, the most authentic Jews we can be, the most real Torah Jews we can be. Rather, everything is here and everything is designed to do, and what everyone and everything really wants to do is to help us and to enable us and to support us to be the best Jews we can be, the most wholesome Jews we can be, the most authentic Jews we can be. And every single non-Jew, whether they realize it consciously or not yet, what they're here to do and what they want to do really is, again, to help you be the most authentic Jew you can be, to help you spread the light of Yiddishkeit and Hashem and of Torah to the entire world and to them. And when you start realizing this and you start seeing the world this way, and you start seeing the physical world this way, so you realize that nothing in the world should ever be in conflict. If you're living a Moshiach life, then nothing in your own life, no area of your own life should ever be in conflict with any other area in your life, and no element in this world should ever be in conflict with any other element in the world. Because in truth, everything in this world and everyone in this world really wants the same thing, is all pushing for the same conclusion. It's Ein Od Milvado. And additionally, once you realize and once you start appreciating that this world is truly a beautiful place and a holy place and a godly place, and it's a Torah world and a Jewish world and Hashem's world and a Mashiach world, and this world is Hashem's home, your neshama begins to feel at home in this world. Your neshama feels very comfortable and at peace with the world and with the physical. And you begin to feel at home in Hashem's home, you begin to feel at home in the physical world. And your neshama feels very settled and domesticated in the physical world. And your neshama is no longer restless and unsettled and uncomfortable and jarred and uneasy and torn and in conflict with the physical world and with the physical reality, because your neshama begins to sense and see Hashem in the physical, in every physical object and every physical experiences, and it realizes that every physical thing, every physical object and experience is a means by which it can connect to Hashem in a unique way, from a unique angle. And every physical experience in this world is here to help us connect to Hashem more in a deeper, broader, and more mature way, and to help us connect to Hashem in a deeper way, and to help us connect to our own neshamas in a deeper way. And you realize that Ein Od Milvado, everything is truly Hashem, everything is a piece of Hashem, everything is trying to express Hashem's truth, everything is here to help us connect to Hashem. And this is what it means to live Ein Od Milvado. And the amazing thing is on Simchas Torah 1991, the Rebbe said that we don't need to wait for Mashiach to come to start living this way, to start seeing the world with the perspective of Ein Od Milvado. Right now, we said we can and we need to already start living this way. We need to start viewing our lives and the things in our lives and this world with this perspective, because the external world is already ready for Mashiach. The external world is as ready as it will ever be. We are living in a Mashiach world. All we're waiting on now is our hearts and our minds. So if you want, you can choose to start living Mashiach reality, to start living Mashiach life, one perspective at a time. And yeah, so Mashiach now, and have a wonderful day.